Welcome to Houston DIY. My name's Ben. In this video, which is part 2 of our kind of decking series, decking mini series, we're going to head outside and put some oil on the actual decking, some decking oil. So as you can see out there, the sun is shining, it's beautiful out there, dried out that decking, lovely. So what I did last night is I'd give the decking a clean. So I used some decking cleaner last night on the actual decking, give it a good scrub with a hard brush. It was a hand brush for some of the smaller parts, or the bits more intricate parts, and a longer brush to brush the rest of the decking. It's cleaned up really well. I give that a power wash after, just looking really, really good. There are a few spots that have still got some green parts on, so when I actually received the decking, there were bits that had like kind of a green algae, kind of mould on them almost. Most of that has come off. There are a couple of spots where it's a little bit green, but I'm hoping that should fade after time. So as part of the actual process of the decking, I've obviously looked into a finish. I need some kind of finish on it. Ideally, I want to go a different colour, or we want to go a different colour. But I've been reading into it in terms of decking oil, decking stains, decking paints, and I've really been put off around putting a stain or a paint, especially a paint on there to cover it up. We do love the natural effect of the wood. I was going to put a stain on there, but because we are south facing this part of the house, sunlight's on it all year round. Obviously in the summer months it's even warmer. It's like a sun trap out there, which is the main reason why we put the decking on there, to be able to sit there. So in terms of direct sunlight on there, it's going to be constant. As you can see out there, it's really bright at the moment, and we're only kind of mid-April. So I've gone with an oil. So we're going with a nice oil just to protect it, which I'll show in a moment. So we're going to go with the oil on there, a clear oil as well. I've not even gone tinted, we're going to go clear just to protect it. We'll see how we get on with it. Obviously, I'm looking to have the decking for a number of years. So if next time I come to actually redo it, we want to go colour, I may do. But for now, just a simple, clear kind of oil just to protect it for now and see how we get on in the future. Okay, I mentioned I clean the decking. I will put some shots on that somewhere, but I use this, just a Ronseal decking cleaner and reviver. Read some reviews, some good reviews, some bad reviews. Went with it. I wanted just something to clean it with that obviously was designed for decking. So went with that. Whether it was any good or not, I'm not so sure. Some of the green patches are still there, but it got it nice and clean. Generally, it is looking cleaner than it was before. So that's good. You obviously used a brush on that, cleaned really easily. So in terms of decking oil, obviously there are tons out there. There's loads out there. Now I've gone for this Fortress Trade, which is from Screwfix. As you can see, it's an outdoor decking oil, clear, 5 litre. It mentions it's water repellent, it nourishes weathered wood, enhances the look of timber decking. So it's a nice, steady away, simple oil really, nothing special. But yeah, that's what we're going for. You can obviously get the fancy kind of decking brushes where you can obviously stand up and do it. But I've just gone for a standard kind of Fortress Trade brush and just do it by hand. Hopefully I can probably wash this out and then bag it up and we can use it every time for the actual decking. We will be doing more decking as well down the side of the house, so this is just the first stage of the actual decking. So obviously if you want to follow along for future stages, hit that subscribe button because that will be happening this summer. So yeah, in terms of the plan now, I'll jump outside, I'll do some close-ups, probably just me brushing it, showing it going on, the application of it going on, but most of it will just be time-lapse of me just going on my hands and knees all over the decking and actually getting this oil all over. It obviously is quite sunny out there, so I don't want it to dry too quick, so it might be a problem, I'm not so sure. But it does mention on the tin around putting 2 coats on, so we'll be doing 2 coats, obviously allowing drying time between that. I'll link to the products I've used below in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. So let's head outside and get this oil applied. Okay, all done and dusted there with the actual oiling process on the decking. 2 coats of that oil there on the decking now, looking superb, really like the look of it. It's not obviously changed the colour that much. You can see it's a little bit darker, to be fair, compared to with no oil on whatsoever. But that's the kind of look I want to go for. For now, in terms of that natural look, we'll stick with that natural look of the wood. You can see the grains, see the knots, etc, etc. I think we'll just see how we get on with it. We may want to stain it at a later point, but we have got other decking parts to add to this decking. Down the side of the house, we will be adding more decking. So maybe at that point, we might want to change the actual colour. We'll just see. So we're in April now, we'll see how long this actual oil lasts in terms of the durability of it, etc. See if it fades off in any areas. As I did mention before, this area of the garden gets the most sunshine. It's a bit of a sun trap. It gets really, really hot. So obviously the sun is going to be burning down this decking probably all summer. So in terms of UV protection, sunlight protection, in terms of just obviously general sunlight, we'll see how it gets on. We may see, obviously, it just go lighter and lighter and lighter through those summer months as it gets drier and drier and drier. But for now, it's looking great, really happy with it. Hopefully I've put it on properly. But any questions about the way I've done it, or any comments about the way I've done it, maybe I've done it wrong, you want to add something, let me know, because I've got plenty more oiling to be doing when I get the other decking up. Drop that in the comment section, questions and comments, I will reply to all of them. If you have liked the video, or at least found it a little bit informative, please hit that like button. That'll help me out quite a lot. If not for any reason, hit the dislike button, hit the thumbs down. Let me know in the comment section why. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more decking projects, DIY projects, tech reviews, product reviews, giveaways, much, much more, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.